The old abandoned bowling alley.
I should come back here and make a low-budget zombie apocalypse movie.
The lockers. Can we rent shoes?
Oh my God. Can you get bowling ball?
A lot of books. The snack bar. Check it out. The roof's falling in. You get extra crunchies in your snacks. Loaded nachos. Yeah, I've never been behind a snack bar. Never worked a snack bar.
We accept Visa and MasterCard.
That's for people to call in orders, I guess. Telephone at the snack bar.
Here's your tray. Here's your tray.
Order up!
Yeah, literally. I'm 51 years old and I've never been behind the counter of a snack bar. Anywhere, ever. This is my first time. Probably my last time. The inner workings of food service. Who would have known? It's like a maze back here. You work in food service, you got to know how to navigate a maze. Oh, you're not even here to hear me. Did you know that? Another car just pulled up, but they're just driving away. Oh no, they're pulling this way. Maybe they're gonna look too.
It's crazy dark in here. This phone camera is already seeing better than we can see. I left my flippin' flashlight sitting on the counter when we walked out of the house today.
They got a cool wall.
Have a seat and stay a while. It's a mite bit dusty in here.
They had pretty cool walls in there.
What was that? Ghost, run!
Will it get me like a horror movie if I go down in there? No.
We need electricity for that to happen.
There's the chute. Oh, whoa.
Cosmic bowling. So by the way, I've been using my second phone with its light on at all times in order to get this video, as it is dark in here. There's the Cosmic Bowling black lights still there. Surprised they're not broken or stolen. People love to break things. These decorative panels are made out of foam board like you'd buy at the Dollar Tree for art projects.
People breaking out the screens.
Love it. So a book.
I don't know. It's a Navy base.
Naval.
Movie theater posters. That is one crazy old computer. Like really old. Like 80s. No website containing explicit sex, pornography, or racism are to be accessed from these computers. Eating and drinking is not allowed in the computer room. Active duty, retired military, and dependents over 18 or older. Over 18 or older only. Look, just in case you're not sure, over 18 or older. I found a bowling ball. It lost its top. His brains are showing. Hey, his finger holes are still there. That's a girly ball. Look how little those holes are.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it to the end, please consider subscribing and watch my journey and the attempt to make better videos for your entertainment.